In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn notifications on or off in Slack. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring that you can manage your Slack notifications like a pro. Whether you're looking to create a focused work session or prefer regular updates, I've got you covered. To begin, you'll want to open Slack. If you're using the desktop application, simply click on the Slack icon to launch it. If you're accessing it via a web browser, enter the Slack URL and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll see your available workspaces. If you're part of multiple teams or projects, it's important to select the right workspace where you want to adjust your notifications. You can do this easily by clicking on the desired workspace name, usually listed on the left-hand sidebar. After you've selected your workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile photo or initials inside a circle. Clicking on your photo will open a drop-down menu, from which you should choose Preferences. This is the control center for your personal Slack settings, where you can customize notifications according to your specific needs. Within Preferences, you'll want to focus on the Notifications section. In this hub, you have the option to tailor the way Slack alerts you about new messages or mentions. For those seeking a completely uninterrupted environment, select Nothing under the Notify Me About section. This will silence all notifications, allowing you to work without distractions. However, this setting might cause you to miss important messages unless you actively check Slack, so use this option thoughtfully. Alternatively, if you'd rather pause notifications temporarily instead of turning them off completely, return to the drop-down menu by clicking on your profile photo again. Here, look for the Pause Notifications option. Clicking this allows you to select the duration for how long you'd like to pause alerts. You can choose specific time intervals, which is a handy feature during meetings or focused work periods. This way, you can ensure your silent mode will automatically revert after your chosen period, keeping you up to date without the hassle of turning notifications back on manually. In summary, managing Slack notifications is straightforward and customizable to your personal or professional life. Remember, you can always revisit and adjust these settings as your preference changes, or as you adapt to different working environments. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, or leave a comment if you have more questions or need further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.